Blue Tansy, this is an oil I don't think we talk about enough. It is a stunning blue oil. It's about $88 on its own, so that makes it a huge chunk of the BOGO box, and it comes out blue. Like it is a blue oil. Whoop, it's running all down my hands here. So the reason it's blue is because it has chamozoline in it. And if you've been using Yarrow Palm for your skincare, look at how blue my hands are. This will fade. This has even more chamozoline than Yarrow Palm. So it's a beautiful oil for skin. I promise you won't stay as a Smurf. You can inhale it from cupped hands like I just did. Great for healing the skin after things like sunburn or any kind of abrasions or cuts. You can use it for helping with breathing. That's why it's another great one for springtime. Head tension, any kind of blemishes, although you probably want to use it at night or before you're going, or not right when you're going to go outside because you'll have the blueness for a little bit. There's a great face serum brightening recipe right there on the slide. This helps with occasional indigestion as well, and it's an oil that inspires action. So if you're in the doTERRA business world, you've probably heard of the big toe challenge, the Blue Tansy. You put a little bit on your big toe and it's an oil of inspired action. Try to do that 30 days in a row and see how much you get done. Personally, I combine this one in a lot of my motivational roller blends because it is an oil that inspires movement, action. So I like putting it on the solar plexus, whether it's on its own or mixed with something like eucalyptus and lemon and Douglas fir. That's one of my favorite combinations. So Blue Tansy, an amazing oil for inspired action, skin support, and respiratory support as well. Roman Chamomile, you maybe have heard of if you are a parent and you have little babies or infants. Maybe this is an oil that you used if your child had a lot of gassy, upset stomach challenges or had any challenges with sleep, or maybe teething challenges with pain in their jaw, and you know how they get all fussy. Roman Chamomile is a beautiful oil to use to calm and soothe the nervous system, to help with relaxation and sleep. A great oil in the diffuser for little ones in their room, and you just really need one drop at a time. You could use it in a linen spray. You could put a drop on their stuffed animal in their room, or use it in a calming bath before bedtime. If you're someone who experiences a lot of abdominal or menstrual cramps, you can apply this oil, and it's a great combination with other oils like Clary Calm. You can use it on the bottom of the feet too. So emotionally, this supports courage and helps bring clarity and confidence in pursuing your aligned purpose. Beautiful oil. Another teething recipe that you could use is copaiba and some Roman chamomile, heavily diluted, obviously, if it's for little ones, on the jawline. Let's turn to lavender. This is our Swiss Army knife of essential oils. It has so many uses. When we think of lavender, we think of sleep, skin, stress, those areas where we just need our nervous system to calm down. You can use this oil aromatically in your diffuser or a drop from cupped hands. You can use it topically on any kind of skin irritation or blemish or abrasion. And you can use it internally to help calm and release or reduce stress and anxious feelings. It's also a great oil to clean with and to use in your dryer or in your laundry. Making pillow sprays, room sprays. This is a super versatile oil to be using. Head tension, head soothing roller bottle blend there for you. Lavender, frankincense, peppermint, copaiba. Those are all phenomenal oils to help reduce head tension. And then emotionally, this oil helps calm the mind and release tension. And maybe you've seen my previous video on lavender, the oil of communication. So rubbed on the throat, this is an excellent oil to help you with clear communication in whatever you're facing in life. If you're already a doTERRA customer, just know that each of these BOGOs only last for 1 day and while supplies last. If you're a customer, you want to use the loyalty rewards program so that you can get the most on your investment. So you get between 10 and 30% back on your purchase. If you're purchasing the entire BOGO box and you're an existing customer and you're at 30% back, you're going to get almost 60 points, well, just over 60 points to spend in the future. So it's an amazing way to get the BOGO box. If you have any questions on that, I've also done a video and posted it about how to order on your LRP and the BOGO box. If you are new and this is like, okay, this is my jam, I want to get started with these oils, I need someone great who's going to support me, I can be your oil gal for sure. We have an amazing community that you can be a part of. And I also do a complimentary wellness consultation with you and provide you with a welcome package and some extra goodies for you to get going. So if that's what you'd like to do and you'd like to get started with me, then you just go to this link on the screen here, bit.ly/doTERRA-get-started. You'll pick your country, you'll pick your region, then the enrollment kits will come up, you'll grab the BOGO box and you'll get going. Just fill in the rest and it ships directly to you. If you've missed the BOGO box and you want to get started, still check out the other kits that we have available and add whatever BOGO of the day is there. I highly recommend the Healthy Essentials kit as one of my most favorite starter kits. If you're on a lower budget, try the Healthy Start kit or the Simple Solutions kit, and you can take advantage of the BOGOs all year long, or any sale we have going on all year long. If you're in the US, again, the wholesale cost of the BOGO box is $189. If you're Canadian, it's $243. That's the wholesale price. You're saving a ton of money this way. So I hope you found that helpful, going through those oils with you, learned a few daily wellness tips that you can use your oils with. And if you have any questions, please feel free to comment below or reach out to me through the links underneath this video.